You finally hit 1,000 subscribers. You're in the YouTube Partner Program. You expect the money to start rolling in. But then reality hits. You check your AdSense earnings, and it's barely enough to buy a cup of coffee. So what's the problem? YouTube keeps pushing the idea that 1,000 subscribers is the goal. But that number means absolutely nothing if you don't understand how the business model really works. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why 1,000 subs won't make you rich, and what actually will. Most creators believe that once they hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, they're set. But here's the truth. Subscribers don't pay you. YouTube does. And YouTube only pays for one thing: attention. Your earnings depend on three major factors. Watch time. The longer people watch, the more ads they see. Niche and CPM. Some topics pay way more than others. Viewer behavior. Engaged audiences generate more revenue. The subscriber count? Completely irrelevant. You could have 10,000 subscribers and make less than someone with 1,000 if your audience isn't engaged. YouTube is a business, and its real goal is keeping people on the platform. Here's how it works. More watch time equals more ads, shown equals more money for YouTube. YouTube rewards creators who keep viewers hooked with high retention content. If your videos don't hold attention, YouTube stops pushing them, no matter how many subscribers you have. This is why some channels explode overnight, while others with thousands of subs barely grow. So how do you turn YouTube into an actual income stream? If you want to make serious money, forget about subscribers and focus on these three things: long-form content with high retention. The more people watch, the more YouTube promotes your videos. Prioritize storytelling and strong hooks to keep viewers engaged. High-value niche selection. Tech, finance, and business channels earn way more than general entertainment. Pick a niche where advertisers spend big money. Multiple income streams. Don't rely on YouTube ads alone. Build income through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. This is why big creators don't just make money from YouTube ads. They make money through YouTube by using their audience to build a real business. At this point, you might be wondering, if YouTube only promotes high-retention videos, how do new creators even get noticed? Is YouTube actually rigged to favor big creators? That's exactly what we're diving into in the next video. Is YouTube rigged? The algorithm exposed. Because if you think the algorithm is fair, you're in for a big surprise. Watch that video now.